Hey, it's Brooke. So this is what the look looks like. If you like it, stick around and let's get started. I started earlier a little bit on this side, but I used this brush and it was a little bit too thick, so I restarted with this one. Ooh. You're probably going to want to raise your eyebrows a little bit to get the line a little thinner. And I went right above my eyelid and crease, so that even if it's near the crease, it doesn't. If you like more of a natural look though, you can do the crease as well. It works both ways. There we go. And then I'm going to go in with the other eye really quick. I'm going to start off a little closer so that it's easier. I hope you enjoyed.